Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be discussing another very important topic from the law of contracts, that is the contract of indemnity. So let's start. Indemnity. If we look into the dictionary meaning of the word indemnity, then it means protection against loss, especially in the form of a promise to pay, or it is a payment for loss of money, goods, etc. So we can say indemnity is a security against loss, or we can say it is a protection or compensation for loss. For instance, we can understand the meaning of the word indemnity with the help of an example. A contracts to indemnify B against the consequences of any proceedings which another person C may take against B in respect of a certain sum of money. Now, this is a contract of indemnity. In this contract, A contracts to indemnify B against the consequences of certain proceedings. So, A promised to offer protection to B against the consequences of any proceedings. Here, A is the indemnifier and B is the indemnity holder. Section 124 of the Indian Contract Act talks about indemnity. Now, Section 124 says, a contract by which one party promises to save the other from loss caused to him by the conduct of the promisor himself or by the conduct of any other person is indemnity. So, this provision, that is Section 124 of the Indian Contract Act, incorporates a contract where one party promises to save the other party from loss which the other party may suffer either by the conduct of the promisor himself or by the conduct of any other person. One very important thing to be noted about this definition is that this definition covers indemnity for loss caused by human agency only. It does not provide any protection for any consequences or for any loss where the loss is caused by events or accident which are beyond the control of human, that is, which are not caused by human agency but maybe by accident or any other such events which will be beyond the control of human agency. So, in a contract of indemnity, the indemnifier is a person who guarantees to pay for the loss caused to the indemnity holder upon the happening of a certain event, and indemnity holder in a contract of indemnity is the beneficiary party. That is, the indemnity holder is a party who is assured of the protection against any loss by the indemnifier. Now, coming to the rights of the indemnity holder in a contract of indemnity. Section 125 of the Indian Contract Act provides for the rights of an indemnity holder when sued. So, in a contract of indemnity, as I have mentioned earlier, the indemnity holder is the beneficiary party and hence the majority of the rights are in his favor. So, an indemnity holder holds certain rights when he or she is sued in any suit or proceedings. Now, what are these rights? These rights are provided under Section 125 of the Indian Contract Act, and we will be discussing these rights one by one. So, Section 125(1) provides that the indemnity holder has a right to recover from the indemnifier all damages that the indemnity holder may be compelled to pay in any suit or proceedings. Now, Section 125(2) provides that the indemnity holder can recover from the indemnifier all costs which the indemnity holder may be compelled to pay in any suit or proceeding. So, the indemnity holder can recover from the indemnifier all the costs that he may be required to pay for defending any suit against him legally. And under Section 125(3), an indemnity holder can recover from the indemnifier all sums or all amount that the indemnity holder may have paid under the terms of any compromise of any such suit. So, under Section 125(3), the indemnity holder is entitled to recover from the indemnifier all the amount that the indemnity holder has paid in a compromise of any suit. So, This was all about the rights of indemnity holder when sued as provided under section 125 of the Indian Contract Act. Now, while studying the contract of indemnity, one question which may come up in our mind is that whether the insurance contracts are the contracts of indemnity. So, the answer to this question is that no, the insurance contracts are not the contracts of indemnity, because the contract of indemnity under section 124 of the Indian Contract Act provides protection only against the loss caused by human agency. However, a contract of insurance provides protection against the loss caused by accidents like fire. It may be fire or any accidental deaths. So, the contract of insurance provides protection against loss caused by events that may be beyond the control of human agency. So, insurance contracts, they don't come under the ambit of section 124, because section 124 provides protection against loss caused by human agency. So, friends, this was all about the contract of indemnity under the Indian Contract Act. In my next video, I will come up with the topic, the contracts of guarantee under the Indian Contract Act. Thank you for listening, and if you like the content of my videos, please subscribe to my channel and do like and share the videos. Thank you.